Polynomials. An algebraic expression that contains power of variable is whole number is called polynomial. Whole number lies between 0 to infinity. Example for algebraic expression is 3x plus 4, where x is equal to variable and 3 and 4 are constants. Here x power 1, so that is lies between 0 to infinity. So this is polynomial. If power of x is fraction or minus, then that expressions are not polynomial. Example for polynomial, these are overview at a glance. Standard form of linear polynomial ax plus b, where x is equal to variable ab or constants. For quadratic, standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where x is variable abc or constants. For cubic, standard form is ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, where x is variable abcd or constants. Degree of linear polynomial is x power is 1, so that is the degree. For quadratic, x power is 2, that is the degree. For cubic, here x power is 3 and another x power 2. In this case, we can take highest power of variable is 3, that is the degree of cubic polynomial. So graph for linear polynomial is looking like this. If this graph cuts how many times this x-axis? Only one time. So number of zeros is equal to 1. For quadratic polynomial, x-axis it cuts 1 and 2 times. So number of zeros is equal to 2. For cubic polynomial, x-axis it cuts 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So number of zeros is 3. 0 of polynomial using coefficients for linear polynomial is minus b by a. For quadratic, that is minus b by a, comma c by a. For cubic, minus b by a, c by a, and minus d by a. Sum of zeros for quadratic is x alpha plus beta. For cubic, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Product of zeros for quadratic is alpha beta. For cubic, alpha beta gamma. Pair of sum of product of zeros for only cubic, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. The relationship between zeros and coefficients for linear polynomial is minus b by a. For quadratic, this is we calling sum of zeros equal to this coefficient. Product of zeros is equal to this coefficient. For cubic, sum of zeros is equal to this coefficient. Product of zeros is equal to this coefficient. Pairwise sum of product of zeros is equal to this coefficient. So this is overview at a glance.